Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Derivation Nexus, your ultimate learning hub for maths, physics and chemistry of classes 10th, 11th and 12th. If you are tired of just memorizing formulas and want to truly understand concepts from their roots, you are in the right place. Here, I explain every topic with complete clarity, logic and detailed derivations, all in simple English, so students from all backgrounds can easily follow. And yes, no mucking up required. I make sure that every concept makes sense to you. Also, if I get your support, I'll soon launch separate channels in Telugu, Hindi, Tamil and Kannada so every students can learn in their language too because I'm a multilingualist, right? Polylingual. So get ready to make science and maths your strong points. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and share with your friends. Let's crack every concept one derivation at a time. This is Derivation Nexus where knowledge meets clarity. So, as the name suggests, Derivation Nexus is our YouTube channel's name. What do you mean by Derivation Nexus? So, the Derivation Nexus, the YouTube channel, offers detailed tutoring in mathematics, physics, and chemistry for grades 10 to 12. Actually, we here focus the cbse guidelines. Okay, so the syllabus as according to cbse Central Board, we focus those only because most of the syllabus are according to cbse only. For example, in Andhra Pradesh and in some other states also, they follow cbse guidelines only. Even they follow state syllabus, but the syllabus is approximately 95 to 100%. It is as same as the cbse syllabus. Only when it relates to some other states, that differs. So that doesn't matter. Okay, the content focus on fundamental understanding and derivations in English, simple English, aiming at broad accessibility. Okay, next one. Next is our channel objectives. What are our objectives here? First objective is comprehensive teaching, that is understandable teaching. It should be understandable for every student. Okay, I can't say that 100% students can understand because some may have issues, right? So as far as I concern, I will make sure that everyone understand. Okay, comprehensive teaching. Next, educational accessibility. By delivering content in English, the channel aims to reach a wider audience because most of the people knows English, right? Next, making quality education available to more learners. Okay, if you support, I will launch in regional languages also, no problem. So plan to develop similar channels in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Hindi will cater to diverse linguistic groups, enhancing the learning experience for regional students, right? Next, here what is nothing but here we have innovative learning methods. First, we break down each lesson into detailed portions. History, what is the history of such lesson, if there is any linkage of that lesson with a previous standard. For example, in 10th class, if we take physics, the chapter electricity, okay, in the chapter electricity there are some points about work done, power and some etc etc etc. Those have its previous roots in 9th class work, power and energy chapter. Okay, if there is any linkage, we also talk about that linkage. As we are not covering here 9th class syllabus, we will cover those linkaged topic in the 10th class syllabus. Okay, next we have visual aids, the use of animations, diagrams and graphics wherever necessary. If it is necessary, we will use animations, diagrams and graphics. Okay, will further clarify intricate concepts. Complex concepts will further clarify it and making them more understandable and engaging. For example, if we talk about physics light lesson, okay, we have animation in that. If we want to do, we can do animation in that. So by taking a concave mirror, and we can make an animation like the light rays are passing, okay, the parallel lines are going, their incident on that concave mirror or convex mirror, how they gets reflected, we can have that animated thing there. So by that, more people gets engaging. Next, interactive learning. We have Q&A sessions here. Okay, we will be having more questions we solve there. I will be providing you with the Google Sheets. Okay, having questions in that, and I will be providing you with some exam forms also. So by accessing that, you may write the exam also in the form of MCQs or whatever it may be. Next, teaching philosophy. So here our teaching philosophy is divided into three parts. First one, understanding over memorization. Our objective is the thing that we have to understand more than memorization. Of course, we have to memorize something, because even we understand the flow, we cannot recognize, right? We cannot remember the flow. What is next to the next one? For example, if we take in maths, physics, chemistry, we don't need to memorize at all. Okay, but when it comes to in chemistry, we need to memorize the atomic numbers, its electronic configuration things, its valency, its electronegativity, right? Because of course they can be derived, but when it's come to atomic numbers, we have to memorize it, because they are the fundamental things, we can't derive it, right? So understanding over memorization. Next one, we encourage critical thinking. How we encourage critical thinking here is, we provide you with different types of questions. Okay, that doesn't mean that we provide with a new question that you cannot understand at all. No, 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 not like that. We provide you with an excellent question, that is a level by level you have to go. Okay, we will be providing you with level by level questions, such that there will be no problem for you to solve it. Okay, first we will provide with level 1. Okay, for solving that level 1, I would have told you, I would have taught you what have to be done. Okay, after that, when you master the level 1, we will go to level 2. There also I don't teach you anything there, because I will teach you everything, and after that I will give you questions of level 1. After the level 1, you will be ready for the level 2 itself, whatever the thing it may ask. Okay, next, after that, level 3, level 4, like that. Okay, next one, building a learning community here, creating a supportive environment for collaboration and questions. We will be having learning community here. Community is nothing but the students. Okay, a community of students. Next one, so here the identifying the target audience. Here the target audience are you, the students. That is students in grades 10 to 12. We identify the students, their whatever it may be, their preferences we identify. And after that, the parents and educators who are there here. See, educator is nothing but me, myself. My way of teaching will be given here. And parents, as per the parents, their requirement also will be considered here. Okay, next. See here, we have also added here in the previous thing, even we have added about the language also, that is not relevant here. Okay, next, future plans for education channels. Here we have for us the future plans are, we want to diversify in some other also. Okay, after this 10th, 11th and 12th physics, chemistry and maths, we may also enter into engineering, mathematics, physics and chemistry, and we may diversify into arts subject also, for example commerce, or we may also enter into chartered accountancy profession. Okay, like financial management or auditing and ethics, whatever the subject it may be. Next one. So these are the things here. We engage with the viewers. Okay, we will be asking your feedback and suggestions, and you have to support our vision. Next, conclusion is here. We empower students. Okay, aims to provide engaging educational content. Our content will be engaging. Of course, we try to be engaging. Okay, but I promise you that I will provide 100% clarity or 100% derivation for whatever the thing it may be, the concept, whatever it may be. I won't give you assumptions to take. Okay, I will provide you exact the thing what it is. When it comes to physics and chemistry, when it comes to there, the fundamental things we have to accept it. Okay, we have to assume it that it is there, because there is not they didn't research beyond that. Okay, till the research what has happened, I will cover you regarding your subject, not extra. Okay, next, by this YouTube thing, it is free for everyone, just nothing but you have to see simply ad, and your data will be charged for seeing the whatever the video it may be. So by this, it is of course accessible education for all, vision of inclusive education resources.